Hello, I am Rakesh Kumar Yadav from Sultanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my BTech with Computer Science and Engineering. I searched a job in IT field, then I joined Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. That time I selected in a progressive Technoserve Pvt Ltd. My client is a Medanta Hospital, Gurugram. My CTC is the approx 2.5 LPA. In Evision, I learned N plus virtualization, Windows administration, Windows Server, and the ITIL, and the cyber security and the etc. I thankful for the all Evision trainers like as the Aryan sir, Astu sir, and the Rahul Das sir. I also thankful for the HR team, Priya ma'am, and the Sati ma'ams. Thank you.